How to download song on Starmaker app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question that how we can download the songs on the Starmaker app. So in today's video, I'm gonna spill all the tea about it. So the short answer is no, you can't. Unfortunately, Starmaker doesn't allow users to directly download songs from the app. The app is designed for singing and sharing performance rather than downloading music for offline use. And here is why. The first is copyright restriction. StarMaker features licensed music, which means they have agreement with music publisher and record labels. These agreements don't typically allow for downloading songs for offline use due to the copyright policies. And 2. Streaming only platform. Starmaker is built as a streaming platform for karaoke and social sharing. The focus is on enjoying music in app and collaborating with others, not storing tracks locally, and at last, saving your performance. While you can't download songs, you can save your own performance if you have recorded a song in the app. You can even share it or save it on your device using the download or share option in your profile. But if you are looking for offline music option, you may want to consider music streaming platforms like Spotify or Apple Music, which allow downloading tracks with a premium subscription. And that's the answer. While you can't download songs on StarMaker, you can still enjoy singing and sharing a performance with friends. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.